what's up?
Red Panda Anthem.
Red Panda, what's good?
Red Panda Anthem.
It's your boy.
Love y'all.
Let's take another detour from the script that I know I'm interested in talking about. I had talked about this a couple of days ago with you guys in group chat, but Elon Musk, the great Elon Musk. He's always saying something. He recently made news when he said that the robots actually have an opportunity to be the biggest part of Tesla's business, bigger than cars, bigger than electric panels.
Yes, number one focus.
Solar panels. Number one focus. And then also he made that coin go up crazy.
Yeah. He said that he would eat McDonald's alive if
they accept
Dogecoin.
Then McDonald's said,
well, then the Grimace coin. When
Grime coin,
no, because McDonald's made a statement saying something. I forget what they said. They said something about the Grimace coin.
Yeah, it was a Grimace coin.
And then Grimace coin went up
Like 52,000%. 52,000%.
So Tesla stock, a lot of people are invested in Tesla stock, and it's been, something that's been up and down. It's actually up $90 today.
Yeah.
It's back almost at $1,936. $938 after hours.
Listen, you guys know I'm not pro options, but any of you hit option today on Tesla, congrats. Amazing. Go ahead.
So how you feel about Tesla stock?
I'm long-term investing in Tesla.
You a Tesla stock owner or an option owner?
Well, I have an option owner, and I'm thinking about maybe exercising one or two of the contracts to get to the top with them. But so my option call on Tesla was at 500 for 2023 of January next year. So obviously I'm just calculating that. I've looked at the price targets on that. Everybody has it pretty much by that point, maybe at 13 to 1500, it's kind of the consensus. I know Kathy was something like 3,000 or something like that. But yeah, innovation, obviously the EV, they dominate that space, but the robot thing is, I feel like these things are coming into fruition.
Optimus, that's the name of the robot, Optimus.
It's
a fire brand name too.
It's iRobot come to life. So yeah, I'm long on Tesla.
It's a foreshadow. I mean, I've been screaming Tesla forever. Shout out to everybody in Stock Club. I know you guys were panicked when it had dropped to 800. It's gonna recover. I wish he would stop with the antics, but he doesn't have enough help. And for all of you that are, especially everybody in Red Panda, all the earners, put in chat, who's the third best executive at Tesla? See, most could name some other executives at Apple, so he has to do these antics to stay in front of the camera, all in the video, to keep the branding and marketing going up. China is squeezing Tesla a little bit, and that is concerning. But long term, I think it's an incredible stock. As long as he is there, I love Tesla. If he leaves, the value of that company will probably get chopped in half. But yeah, Elon is amazing. Next big target I have for it is 1186.06. Probably happen in less than 4.5 months. So continue to hold. Long-term investing is the wave. If you're new, hold everything 10 years, decade hold or more, and you're good.
Please, he's not just saying that. That's real. Just hold the positions that you're in, right? Even going back to last week, Microsoft was at 276. It's up 15% since then. That means if you bought it at that time, you're already up 15% on the investment that you made.
For doing nothing.
All you did was say, all right, I'm going to buy it at this number, and I'm going to keep it for the next 5 to 10, 15, 20 years. Give it to your kids, put it in a custodial account, do all these things. You're starting within a week, you're up 15%. Imagine what that looks like in 5, 10, 15, 20 years, y'all.
Please put it in chat. I deserve to have everlasting wealth. The big issue that we have in our community is not about knowing what to buy. If Supreme went public, what do you think that price would be? I saw that the Bathing Apes finally gonna come out with an NFT collection. I think that one's gonna boom. And we make all the brands popular, but the issue is we have to break down the psyche of because I think we think if we invest, we have to be boring and wear Payless shoes and $5 khakis. You can still be fine and invest. I just want you to put most of your money.
They don't think that anymore. They saw our Basel.
So
another one.
Hey, shout out Khaled. But we the best. Continue to hold everything for an eternity. And if you look at the people that have really built wealth, go look at the Walton family. I know I'm gonna sound like Kanye. Walton family, Rothschilds, Disney, the original families who founded this country. How long have they held their assets on average? Like I say, clip this up, please. Never listen to me. Listen to the top 5 families, top 5 countries, top 5 companies. See how long they are looking to hold. Once you know how long they're looking to hold, you're good. Everybody who owns all those skyscrapers in New York, they're not trying to flip them on a 2-year or a 10-year. And trust me, there's way more money in holding. And even with this, it's easier to get capital when you have long-term investments. Like, let's say you want to go buy this building over here. If you're trading, they're not going to loan you anything because the probability of a person trading very well is less than 3%.
Mm-hmm.
If you hold them for long term, then you can leverage those assets and do other things and have other liquidity come to you. So
This that Red Panda Anthem.
Ian, what's up?
This that Red Panda Anthem.
Rap Panda, what's good?
Red Panda